Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to dive into lesson 6. In this video, we are going to learn some advanced layout skill to organize a long report in Microsoft Word. We will take our messy practice file and turn it into a perfectly polished and print-ready document. Here is our game plan today. We will set our paper size to A4 and adjust margin first. Then we will use page breaks and clean up the table of contents page by removing its header and footer, and change only the white table page to landscape organization. Finally, we will check everything in print preview. I will share this practice file with you, so please give it a try. Let's get started. And before we dive any page, let's establish our official document rule by setting up the paper size and margin first. Move your mouse to the Layout tab at the very top and check Size to the A4. Right next to it, click Margins and open the Custom Margin. Let's type the layout measurements. Set the top to 2.5, bottom to 5.5, left to 2, and right to 2. And then on the Layout tab, you're going to change it to 2. Make sure this is apply for whole document and press OK. Let's go to page 1. We need to make everything much easier to see while we work. So let's adjust our view. Move your mouse to the view at the top and click Zoom to 100%, or you can make it 125% and press OK. Now it's much better. In this file, we need to separate our page properly. To move to the next page, many beginners press Enter key like this. Please don't do this. If you add text later, your layout will slide down and get messy. Instead, place your cursor down after the title. Just press Ctrl Enter. This is a page break. Okay, let's move down to the page with the white table and fix it. To change only the single page, we need to isolate it into its own separate section. Move your cursor to the Layout tab, and under the breaks, choose Next Page and Breaks, and click Next Page. Now, our table page is completely isolated in its own room. Let's click anywhere inside the table page and go to the Layout tab and click Orientation and choose Landscape. Now, only table page flip horizontally give our rows perfect breathing room, while the page before and after stays safely in vertical portrait mode. But we have to reorganize this table a little bit. Next, let's insert and edit our header and footer. First, click the Insert tab and select the header and edit header. Now we're going to type in our report title. After typing, go to the Home tab And let's select the sentence and change the font to this one and align right. Or you can simply press the shortcut Ctrl R. Now we're going to make a page set. Go to the Insert tab and then click Footer, and let's edit the footer and then click the page number. Now it shows on the bottom. Let's do it on center and click OK. Now you inserted all the page number, and let's close this header and footer. But on your first page, usually you don't put your page number and the footer, so we are going to fix it again. Go to the Insert tab and click Header, remove header. So you can see only the first page deleted the header, and click the page number and remove page number. Now our final step is to check our handwork in print preview. Move your mouse to the file and then click the print. Now do not press print just yet. Let's check the preview scan, preview our document. We can check the layout directly on our workspace. Move your mouse to the View tab at the very top. Click the multiple page. Now, Word instantly zoom out. You can see multiple pages side by side right here on the screen. Let's check our layout flow, and the cover page look clean, and table of the contents start perfectly. And as you see the page layout together, our big asset table page stand out beautifully in the landscape mode. Checking our layout with multiple page right on your screen make it so easy to see that everything is absolutely seamless. In this video, we mastered some essential advanced table and layout skills to make long report print ready. Please download the practice file and compare your layout with completed version. Thank you for watching, and let's see you in the next video.